Hey guys, it's me with another video. I know it's been a long time, but I'm going to take you guys on a tour of my nail space where I create press-on nails. I'm now a nail technician. So yeah, this is my space where I do nails and create press-ons. I do more of press-ons now. Don't really take as many clients as I used to. But we are going to start over on the cart. So on the cart, I use my is where I store my gel polishes. This case came with my travel backpack because I travel to clients. So yeah, this houses my gel polishes, my regular nail lacquers. The nail polishes used to be organized, but I have a 1-year-old, so he's always in my stuff. Then I have my sanitation thing there, my aprons, which I rarely use, which I need to. Then I have some towels at the bottom for pedicures. Yeah, and then there's some things right here in the back which I got from school, some monomer and dehydrator and stuff, which I should be using in practice, but I'll be using other things. Then right on the left is an air purifier to pick up all the dust or whatever. It's supposed to pick up like smells and odors or whatever. I'm not really sure if it works because I'm in here all the time. So here I have my Chromebook that I got from school, which came with my tuition. I used to use it. I don't use it anymore for clients to watch shows or whatever. I got that idea from an old classmate, but I don't use it for that anymore. But yeah, there's my laptop. Then I have some foils in that container on the shelf. I have my lamp, which also have my e-file. It matches the lamp. And then I have some cuticle oil on the second shelf, my paper towels, alcohol, monomer. I use not polish. Then I also have, lint-free wipes. And then at the bottom shelf, I have like stuff from my Cricut machine, stuff for my press-on nails, overstock, have some pedicure bags, pedicure liner bags for the bowl. And then I have some extra paper towels and a scale for weighing packages for when I need to package up some press-on nails. And yeah, that's it pretty much on this shelf back here. Okay, so down here on the floor, we have like some towels that still need to be washed from pedicures. Then we have some overstock stuff from my Cricut, some bubble mailers or whatever for packaging. Those right there are my loyalty cards. I used to be Queenie Claus. I'm not Queenie Claus anymore, so I need to update my cards. Also, my sign, I made that with my Cricut. So yeah, I need to update all that stuff. I haven't done it yet. Where that sign is now, there is a TV. So maybe I'll give an update on that. So down here we have a bunch of little things. Okay, we got some brushes. We have the fake hands. Got the Cricut, as you can see. I got barbicide and stuff for cleanup. Got some more monomer over there, some alcohol. The alcohol came from Sally's. And that spray bottle right there, that's just alcohol. I'm not alcohol, but that's barbicide as well. Then we got some hand sanitizer. The nozzle's broken, but yeah, that's hand sanitizer from OPI and this nail polish remover. And then yeah, there go all of the brushes, the daughters, and things of that sort. Cuticle pen that I use on myself, don't use that on other people. Then right here is where we house, where I house all of like the embellishments, the rhinestones and things like that. Then I have a stamper. I really don't like the stamper, the polish for the stamper. I don't think it's really a good brand. I'm not gonna even lie. Not really sure what brand it is. It's gonna come up on screen. I'm redoing the voiceover because I was coughing and stuff because I had a cold. But whatever that say, I don't really like it. Maybe I'm not doing it right, but I don't like it too much. Maybe I'll get some more practice on it. But here I have some. I really wish I stopped doing that. Stop smacking. But I have my dehydrator and all that type stuff. My primer. Got some more lint-free wipes, acetone, cuticle oil. All of those things are down there. Then in that peppermint box are chrome powders. Down here we have what is down here? What's in this box? Oh, that's the chrome powder. So in the peppermint box are glitters. Okay. So they're called chrome powders. Okay, and then in here we have some liners, some gel polish liners, got some rhinestone glues, some top coats, base coats, Mia's Secret rhinestone stuff, which I'm not really a fan of. I don't like the spray. I use something else for that. And then in the box behind it, there's like the not polished odor neutralizer stuff. It smells really good. I haven't used that in a long time though, to be honest with you. Then we got some Kiara Sky for jelly tip glue stuff. Can't think of what it's called right now. There's some other stuff that I haven't really used, to be honest with you. All the OPI stuff I got when I was in school. It came with my tuition. Okay, this chair that I have, I don't know if I'm ever gonna show it, but it's so hard. I got it from Facebook Marketplace or something. It's so hard. But these things I use for, just like that, the clients for their arms or whatever. It's very helpful than laying flat on the table or the desk. Okay, and then down here in the drawers, let's see which drawer am I going to open up first. First drawer. So that's all of the prep and things like that. Files, wooden sticks or orange sticks, whatever you prefer to call it. Bands. Then we have my mask and clean and dirty implements in those pouches. Then we got a bunch of tips here. I don't know why I have this many tips, okay? When I was practicing, also when I was in school, I just bought a bunch of stuff. Okay, and then down here at the last one, I think they're full tips. Yeah, those are all the Gel-X tips and things I use. For Gel-X, practice, all that. This is all overstock. Those Kiara Sky nails came in a mystery box that I got. Still haven't used them, but they're really cute. I should just go ahead and apply them at some point. But yeah, that's all overstock in there. Then we got some face masks, some gloves, and some goggles, because my eyes get really irritated sometimes with the monomer, but especially when I'm using the resin and the activator that I use to keep the rhinestone secure. So we have a bunch of acrylics in here. I don't know why I have this many acrylics, but the box of acrylics from Not Polished came in a mystery box. Then you have some nail art things in here, acrylic paint pens. There's a bunch of little things in here. Those are some chrome powders like from Not Polished. It's like in a looks like a eyeshadow palette kind of. It's pretty cute. Then this top drawer looks like a junk drawer, but that's like all of my Cricut things, and that's for pictures at Diamond there. I really need to go through this drawer. It's mainly stuff for Cricut in there. Yeah, I look very unorganized, but I promise I know where everything is. Then we have some press-on nails here. These ones in the back were like my starter ones that I first made. Didn't really know what I was doing too much, but I'm like, I'm about to make some press-ons, about to sell these bad boys, yada yada yada. So those how those came about. I wanted to do that for a really long time, but never did. Those red ones I actually made for somebody. She never got them, so I don't know. And then right here, what I'm about to show is some practice nail art that I've done in school and outside of school. Some of them have dates because I got that from my idea from somebody in school to just show the progress. I haven't been keeping up with the dates, but the ones that have dates on them pretty much were in school. These are some 3D arts that I do with the acrylic and the monomer. Didn't have a price list. I really don't know why I have a price list up there. I have no idea. I guess I want to feel like it's a real salon. I don't know. Those are swatches from my acrylic. I'm still laughing. Why do I have that price list up there? Oh, don't touch me. Okay, and those are some of my rules. And the other swatch sticks are nail polish swatches, which I need to do some more of those. And over here, lastly, is like my pedicure bowl, which is in that bag. Oh no, we're going down here. Okay, so there's like lamps in there, Gel-X lamp. That lamp that's on the right side, I need to throw that away, because that's done for. I got that like way before I even started school. Okay, when I was practicing nails, before I even decided I was gonna go. There's another lamp, a dust collector, because I use 2 lamps on the desk when I do clients, so that's an extra lamp. That Kiara Sky one came in my mystery box. And then in this bag is a pedicure bowl, and a footstool. That yellow thing, I mean not yellow, but the white stand is a footstool. My pedicure bowl came from Balava, so when I travel to do nails, to do pedicures, that will be coming with me. And then here on the table are some press-on nails that I actually created for Christmas. Look at them. Look at the snow globe. It's so cute. But thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Please do stop by soon. And I will be back with more nail content.